Innovative environmental tech is unlocking the potential of inland water bodies to become thriving carbon sinks. By leveraging frameworks that combine native plants, microbial processes, and advanced filtration systems, polluted water is cleansed while capturing atmospheric CO2 into sediment and biomass. This holistic approach simultaneously tackles water pollution, enhances soil health, and purifies the air, all while fostering biodiversity restoration. For instance, applying synergistic bioengineering in ponds has boosted carbon fixation rates,